Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian shares were mixed on Thursday, with the Nikkei off slightly, but China and Hong Kong squeezing out morning gains. The Nikkei 225 index fell 0.36% in the morning trade, while the Shanghai Composite gained a slight 0.01%, and the Hang Seng index was up 0.24%. Overnight, the Dow 30 rose 1.0%, the S&P 500 index rose 1.05%, while the Nasdaq index rose 1.29%. Elsewhere, Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen said in a speech earlier that monetary authorities hope to see the unemployment rate at the end of 2016 reaching 5.2–5.6% and inflation at 1.72%, adding interest rates will stay low even as the economy improves before then to ensure maximum price and employment stability. Australian dollar US dollar traded at 0.9380, up 0.11% after the data and following China March actual foreign direct investment that fell 1.47% to $12.24 billion US dollars. China is a top export destination for Australian products like iron ore. US dollar Japanese yen traded at 101.95, down 0.27% after Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda repeated Thursday that aggressive easy policy launched last April will continue and will take Japan out of years of deflation. Kuroda said the outlook for consumer prices was up, with year-on-year rate in core consumer prices expected to be around 1.25% for some time, not including a sales tax hike on April 1st to 8% from 5%. Kuroda repeated that Bank of Japan mantra that it will continue with quantitative and qualitative easing, aiming to achieve the price stability target of 2% by 2015. The US economy will be in focus again today as the crowd looks to the follow-up data for initial jobless claims after last week's surprisingly bullish report. US initial jobless claims 12:30 GMT. Today's weekly update on the number of newly unemployed workers will probably be the main event for macro. What's more, the odds looks encouraging for a bullish shot of adrenaline if we see a better than expected number. The consensus forecast sees today's number rising moderately to 312,000 for the week through April 12th. But if there is another downside surprise waiting in the wings, it may be time to upgrade the outlook for employment and the economy generally. It was the latest market news provided by IPA FX. Goodbye.